Hi, my name is Natasha Murphy and this is my hair story. My hair's very fine, I've got a lot of it. It's naturally very straight. Yeah, my hair's very easy to work with, but with curls you just need to put in a little bit more work to give that real volume and glamorous look. If I'm feeling in a real fun mood, I definitely add a curl. There's nothing that can transform an outfit more with a lovely curl and a little bounce. If I'm just chilling at home, maybe keep it straight. I'd probably go for a curl if I'm going out. It just gives you a real confidence, it just makes you feel amazing and yeah, it just gives you that boost.